Alrighty, today we are unwrapping Killer B Spoolinator kit. It's a 3576R. Just wanted to show you guys what the kit actually looks like since there's nothing that I've been able to find research-wise on it. It's going to be going on an 06 STI. We're going to be doing a front mount, and I'm going to later post a video of the dyno and see what type of numbers we make and when boost actually hits. The reason I went with this kit, sits in factory location. Couldn't wait to unbox it. I was going to try to get everything all on camera at once. There's a plate here. This is going to sit on your factory up pipe, which is really nice because it allows you not to have to do a full rotated setup. So the turbo is going to attach to this. Inside here, give you a new line, and also just some of the hardware that comes for the oil pipe, coolant pipe, as well, and a gasket, some other bolts in here. As far as the turbo goes, and this again is the 3576R. Tile hot side is the biggest component of this, and also making the turbo a full V-band setup. Killer B also mills out this inner lip here, make it a full 3-inch inlet that attaches to that. In the kit, parent inlet comes with that as well. Inside the other box that we have over here, I'm not going to open it up, but basically is our V-band downpipe and the parent inlet. And that's it. Do another video update shortly, probably in about a month from now with car on the dyno.